everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, Walgreens, I was so excited. There was so many deals. I'm like, sweet, so excited. Get to the register. She gets everything, she scans all my coupons, and the computer freezes. And I'm like, are you serious? So it sat there for a good maybe 10-15 minutes to restart. So then we had to redo the whole transaction over again, which is fine. And then I went to the cart. Well, as I was doing my math, I was doing the math in the store, and then I was like, wait a minute, something didn't happen. I get confused sometimes by the employee discount. Like, I don't factor in certain things. And so just giving you guys a heads up if you are in my shoes. So I ended up having to go back in the store and get 3 different things that got messed up. But everything turned to be okay. I have a lot of receipts because everything was just crazy, but I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. So I'm thinking of starting a, like, you know, good deals. I might, instead of doing like the Walmart ad or Walgreens ad preview, I might be doing some like deals or something. I'll figure it out, but I'm gonna try to maybe switch it up a little bit because not many people like watching the ad preview. So we will see, we will see, we will see. So this is a cool deal if you guys want to do this. I ended up getting the Olay bar soap. The body wash at my store is locked up, and I didn't want to get one of the employees to get it, so that's fine. Bar soap is the way to go. So these were 2 for $12. There is currently, I got the hiccups, there's currently a $4 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. And then this was a toothbrush that was on sale for $3.99, and there is a $2 off digital coupon. So you guys would buy these 3 items and you would pay $9.99. But then you guys will get a $5 cash rewards, making them $4.99 or just $1.66 a piece. Or you guys could say $2.50 and this is free. However you guys want to do it. I really like that deal. I really like the strawberry bars, but I have so much that it's beyond crazy. Like, it's just crazy. I did the Poise deal. Now this is a deal that lasts all month long, so if you guys want to do this deal, my register reward did not print off. That's why I had to go back in the store. So these were 2 for $9. You guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons that we got from our inserts, I think like 2 weeks ago. You would pay $5 for this, but then you get a $5 register reward, making them absolutely free. And like I said, you guys can that'll be an all month deal depending on what you guys want to do. Okay, so I was gonna do the Bic deal, and all the female women's Bic razors were completely gone, and I'm like, okay, well, let's see if any of the men's would work. So I started grabbing some of the men's, and I'm like, oh, this one works, this one works. So I ended up getting the Flex razors, whatever. These were $6.99. They were buy one get one 50% off. You guys would want to use a $4 off printable coupon that we got that was available I think last week. Otherwise you guys can use the insert coupons, which is $3. So it just depends on what you guys want to do. I was gonna grab another coupon. I'm like, wait a minute, Walgreens, you can't do overage, so it confused me. But you guys would pay $6.48 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a 6 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys will get $2 in cash rewards, making it a $1.51 moneymaker. So make sure you guys do that deal. I got the Suave men's shampoo and conditioner. These were $3.99. They were buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 $1.50 off coupons, making them $2.98. You guys would get 750 points and 750 points on Fetch rewards, which is 75 cents each. So these come out to be just $1.48 or 74 cents a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Sorry, I didn't bring my huge bag to throw everything in, so I just am gonna shove everything in here because everything in my lap is getting full. Okay, let's get the razors that I dropped. Okay, so The next deal that I messed up on that you guys got to do, if you guys are employed, do not do this deal with your employee discount. But I ended up doing the L'Oreal Revitalift deal. There's currently a 12 off of 2 digital coupon. These were $6.99. No, what were they? Where did I write this down at? They were, yeah, $6.99. I used that 12 off of 2 digital coupon, and then there's $2 off coupons with the Walgreens booklets. So these come out to be free, but you guys do need filler items. So I ended up getting 5 of these Cadbury eggs just to kind of fill up the items. So I got a bunch of the Cadbury eggs, but for these, they come out to be free with that coupon. And then these with another candy that I have are 4 for $3. You guys want to use that $1 off Walgreens booklet coupon. You guys would just get these for $2 or 50 cents a piece. So that is what I did with that. Okay, so here's another deal that I messed up on, which was not a big deal, but I ended up doing this deal, but I had to get 5 of these small things. But if you guys are just doing this deal, you want to do it with just these 3. So these came out to be, why? I'm not even going in order. These were, seriously, where did I write this down? These were $7.79. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use a $4.50 off a 2 coupon that we got from our inserts and a $2 off coupon. You would pay $14.26 for 3 of these, but then you guys will get $10 in cash rewards, making them $4.26 for 3 of them. But like I said, I had to buy a ton of these because I didn't factor in that these were 50%, the tiny ones were 50% off. I did know they were 50% off, I just did not figure it out, so it was kind of confusing. So if you guys need to do that, this is a cool little thing that I saw. I was excited to try this because I actually want to try this. This is the Dove hand sanitizer, and they smell really good. So these were $2.99 at my store, and I used a buy one get one free coupon that we got in today's inserts. So you guys would get these for $2.99 or just $1.50 a piece if you want to try it. There are 3 different scents. I say flavors, but some of you guys laugh at me, but scents, there are 3 different scents if you guys want to do that. I ended up getting some Bic pens. These were $2.99. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. If you guys have that, comes out to be just 73 cents for the both of these. I wanted to get these other clickable pens, but they didn't have it. They only had 1, so I'm like, that's okay. Then I did the Colgate toothpaste. These were $3.99. I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, making them $3.98. But then you guys will get a $4 cash rewards, making these absolutely free. So if you guys need to stock up on that. And then I got a couple more food items for you guys. And then, so I got the Shea Moisture. I really like this stuff. This is what I've been using in my hair. Since I cut my hair, I've been kind of using this. It doesn't, like, with the mousse that I use, sometimes it's like hard and stuff and I have to comb through it. But here, I can't even feel that there's product in my hair. So I really enjoy using this product. But these were $3.99. They are buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 2 of them. Use a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts. There might be digitals, but I know I use the $5 off coupon. You guys would just get these for 98 cents. 98 cents. 49 cents a bottle. That is a great deal. Okay, so I ended up getting some Captain Crunch. These were on sale for $1.88. You guys want to use a 75-cent off printable coupon that was available for many weeks. You guys would just get this for $1.13. So yes. Now I signed up for the Tasty Rewards, which is through the what is this, Frito-Lay. Tasty Rewards, you guys can sign up. They send you coupons, but those coupons don't last very long. But I ended up getting a coupon. I think I saw this on like Super Bowl Sunday, that you guys could get a free coupon for this Cheetos Crunch Pop Mix. So I just used my free coupon and got this absolutely for free. So I'm excited to try it. It's like cheesy popcorn and Cheetos, and That's it? Just cheesy popcorn and Cheetos? Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's what we like. What'd I do with my bag? So I ended up doing the Almond Joy Rolo deal. Now these again were four for $3. There's $1 off a 4 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $2 or 50 cents a piece. I did the M&M deal. And you guys can also do the Snicker deal. You can mix and match. Or no, you can't mix and match. There's one deal for the M&Ms and then there's one deal for the Snickers. So the M&Ms were, or both of these are all 99 cents. I had a 50-cent off coupon, 50-cent off a 2 coupon for this. So you guys would end up paying $1.48. But then you can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them just 98 cents. With the Colgate, these are not, or the Colgate, the Snickers, these are $1 or 8, I can't speak today, 99 cents. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $1.98. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.49. So it depends on what you guys want. So I had some stuff like clipped to my card where if I spent so much, I got a bonus. I don't remember how much that was, but my total came to $29.48. So I did pay a little bit out of pocket, but that's okay. I got $27 back and 20 cents. I got 10 for the Nivea. I got 5 for the Olay. I got 5 for the, well, technically I got 5 for the Poise. And then I got $4 for the Colgate, and then I got $2 for the Bic. And then I got something that I had attached to my card that gave me more points. And then I was supposed to get that $5 register reward for the Poise, but she gave me points instead. I got $6.50 back with the Ibotta. I messed up on the Snickers deal. When I was buying it, it didn't say ×2. It just said limit 1. So I bought it, and then when I went to submit my receipt, it said you need to buy 2. And I'm like, that's not what it said in the first place. So it got me confused. And then with Fetch Rewards, I got 1,750 points. No, 1,705 points, which is basically $1.70. So my grand total actually came to be a $10.92 moneymaker. I got everything for free, so I was pretty excited. But today was just a bad day. I mean, with the register freezing up and this stuff not going the way I wanted it, which is fine. But I wanted to be in and out of Walgreens, but I was ended up there for like over an hour and a half. It's crazy. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I will be possibly changing up my channel a little bit on deals or something. We'll figure stuff out, but I just want to let you guys know. I'm going to CVS now, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.